Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha Varavaramaniye Namaha. Sentence 78. Vakinal Vendreno Bhattarai Pole. Parasara Bhattar was the son of Kurathalvan. When he was a young child, one time as he was playing in the bank of river Kaveri, he saw a procession in which Vidwan called Sarvanga Bhattar was being carried in palanquin by his disciples. They were carrying out his praises and using trumpets as they went along. Parasara Bhattar was upset that in a town where notable scholars such as Ramanuja, Kurathalvan, Mudalayandan and Embar were residing, such a procession was taking place. So he decided to test this Vidwan. He went to the procession and stopped. He then held some sand from the river in his hand and challenged Sarvanga Bhattar to give him a count of the sand. Sarvanga Bhattar was stumped and could not reply. Parasara Bhattar then told him, "This is a fistful of sand. You cannot even say this much, and yet you go around with the people carrying and crying out your praises." Sarvanga Bhattar was amazed by this child's prose. He then inquired about him and found out that he was the son of Kurathalvan. He explained, while the offspring of that which fails just crop. And taking Parasara Bhattar on this palanquin, dropped him off his home. At the doorstep, Purnacharya, the wife of Pillai Urangavelli Dasar, received the child and heard about the incidents, repeating Daivam as protection for the Parasara Bhattar. She took him to his mother Andal and told her, "Please do not let this precious child in the streets where evil eyes can fall on him." Later, after Ramanuja's time, as per the instruction of Ramanuja, Parasara Bhattar went to the Tirunarayanapuram where he debated the famed scholar Vedanti and won him over into the Sri Vaishnava Sampradayam. Vedanti later renounced this world and came to Srirangam to be with his Acharya Parasara Bhattar, named Nanjiyar by Bhattar. He would later then the Acharya's Pitam of Sampradayam. Here Tirkolur Pen Billai is asking, did I win over opponents with my oratory skills like Parasara Bhattar did? Sentence 79. Vail Kayitteno Embarai Pole. The Acharya Embar was known as Govinda Bhattar. Prior to getting the name Embar, he was a maternal cousin to Ramanuja. In the early part of his life, he had gone on a yatra to Kasi. Whereas he was bathing in the river Ganges, a Shivalingam came into his hand. As such, he became a devotee of Shiva. He settled in the town of Kalahasti and began maintaining the Shiva temple there. At that time, due to the request of Ramanuja, Periya Thirumalai Nambi engaged Embar, corrected him and returned him to Sri Vaishnava fold. Embar then moved to Thirumalai and lived with his Acharya Periya Thirumalai Nambi and performed services to him. At that time, Ramanuja was also Thirumalai, learning the inner meaning of Sri Ramayanam from Periya Thirumalai Nambi. Therefore, he got opportunity to observe Embar's characteristics. One of the quality of Sri Vaishnava is feeling empathy for others. This quality was complete in Embar. One time Ramanuja noticed that Embar put his hand inside a snake's mouth, then take a bath and continue his service to the Acharya. He asked, "Oh Govinda, what did you do with the snake? Ember replied, I noticed that the snake was keeping its tongue out and suffering. When I went near it, I saw that thorn was stuck in the tongue. Normally, a snake instills fear in most people and then tend to keep away from it. You then instance Ember did not fear it, was worried about its suffering. Here Tirkolur Pinvillai asking, am I capable of showing the level of mercy that Ember did by sticking his hand in a snake's mouth? Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha.